Hey friends, Danny Litvin from the Ayurveda and Yoga Institute here, and today I'm a little bit tired. I just wrapped up teaching a weekend intensive of our yoga college program, and it was phenomenal, a phenomenal weekend. I mean, the students, they're growing, they're learning, they're experiencing, their teaching is so freaking good. I'm excited for you guys to take their classes. I know you're gonna love it. But after 15 hours of teaching, being responsible, giving, serving, yoga teachers, you know what I'm talking about, right? After all that, I'm a little bit tired. So I made one of my favorite drinks. This golden, beautiful, sweet tasting elixir is called Ojas milk. Ojas is the subtle essence of Kapha dosha. It's your vitality, your strength, your stability, your longevity. Everything great about Kapha dosha is encapsulated here. Contentedness, love, compassion, strength, endurance. When you're full of Ojas, you can have a tornado happening around you, a tornado of stressors, and you feel stable and good. Nothing can touch you. But when your Ojas is depleted, you feel tired. So that's why I made this drink. I'm enjoying it as the sun sets after this hot summer's day, sitting in nature, enjoying one of my favorite drinks that's slightly chilled, and getting ready to close off a beautiful day to prepare for another one tomorrow. So stick around. We have a recipe for this beautiful, beautiful drink that's coming after this ends. And if you have any questions, comments, please put them in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'm excited to see you guys soon. Cheers.